Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about AI franchise. Now, this is basically a program or maybe a website if you want to call it that. It's you pay around $9.95, I think, and you'll get a pre-built business that's guaranteed to work apparently, and it's powered by AI, hence the name AI franchise. It's made by this guy called Michael. Now, you can see it's a pretty sketchy looking website here, right? And you'll when you first have this, you can see this is what the website looks like. And this is the advertisement it gets. The new way you hardly work, AI franchise models, all of these things, right? And you can see it's a pretty alluring deal because, of course, you don't work, you already get it pre-made. It's driven by AI, so you don't have to do any of the hard stuff. It's all automated by AI, and it's only $9.95. So what could go wrong, right? And it used to be $9.95, but I think for the digital download, you need to pay $20 now. Now, $20 isn't that much, right? I think it's just a fair day's wage for people in the States. But again, this is still something that's pretty sketchy, right? And it wasn't easy for me to find this website. I had to go to a GitHub page to grab this website here. And you can see this is how you actually find the website. It's the link here. Now, this could be legit, right? And I haven't tried it myself, so I can't say it personally on if it's legit or if it works or not. But it says it does have a 30-day money back guarantee. So even if you don't like it, even if you went through the hassle of buying it and it didn't work for you, then you should have no problem getting a refund, right? And if you think this is what you need or this is what you want to get, and of course, you can get it, right? Just do your research because for me, if it's too good to be true, then it probably is, right? If the future of business is with AI, then I'm sure more people will be doing it, but I don't see a lot of people, especially now, doing their business with AI. But this could be just a new technology I haven't heard of. So if you're set on buying these, then I'm sure it's no problem. They have a money back guarantee anyway, so I'm sure there's no harm in doing it. If you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.